Hey guys, Chris here from Maxwell Advanced. This is episode 3 of our Solar Collection series, and today we're going to be going over 2 of our rifle pouches that we made for the Eclipse belt. We flank right here, the Innocuous. This is our horizontally mounted magazine pouch, and our rifle node. This is going to be our vertical and diagonally mounted rifle pouch. Now, in terms of construction, these two are basically identical. It's going to be our depth retention based method of retention for these pouches with a double layered elastic. Like our pistol node, makes for a very nice snug fit, so easy to take out, even easier to reinsert, and that thing's not coming out. As for what makes them different, it's on the back. So you see right here, we have our node attachment point method right here in our Innocuous. This one right here is going to be solely for the front of the belt, as discussed in one of our episode 1 overview, to utilize dead space in terms of buckles and spaces you couldn't normally use on other battle belts. And for guys who are not using our Cobra or Raptor buckles, we also designed this pouch right here to incorporate the G-hook attachment method, so that way you don't lose that when installing this pouch. As for the rifle node itself, it's using our node strap system, so that way you can set it to the side or the front or back, wherever you want this mounted, vertically or diagonally in either orientation. These pouches both work great, and they're awesome. We've heard good things about it from our customer base, and we're glad people like them. As for magazine compatibility, most plastic or polymer construction magazines like your Lancer Tacticals or your PMags and other magazines will work with these pouches, along with stand-ag pouches. So if it's stand-ag construction as well, metal construction, it'll work great. These are also in stock and ready to ship on our website, axleadvance.com. You can go to our website over there or find the link in the description below. As always, if you have questions for us, feel free to hit us up in the comments. And of course, hit up our support team email, support@axleadvance.com. As always, we'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.